My old boss would always tell me and many others that when you have a hammer, everything looks like a nail. And so this is the trap that a lot of technical people can fall into, which is when you have this fancy and powerful technology, this powerful tool in your hand, it's easy to go around and just like start whacking every problem with it. But of course, that might not be the best use of your time because it's not sufficient to just know how the technology works and have an understanding of it, but you also need to know what problem are you trying to solve. And that's where this kind of dichotomy of technical knowledge and domain knowledge comes in. And so we can generate a plot like this where you have the domain knowledge on the y-axis, technical knowledge on the x-axis, and you have these four different quadrants. So you have this first quadrant, someone who's like that unicorn, high technical knowledge, high domain knowledge. You have quadrant 2 here, it's someone with low technical knowledge, but they have really deep domain expertise. Kind of jumping over to quadrant 4, someone who has high technical knowledge, but maybe low domain knowledge and context. And then, of course, you have the third quadrant, which is low technical knowledge and low domain knowledge. And so returning to those three general directions I mentioned toward the beginning, through this lens of the trade-off or relationship between domain knowledge and technical knowledge, let's see what these directions look like. So the first one was to use AI to improve other people's businesses. In other words, consulting. And so that's probably best for people that are in quadrant 4. They have the technical expertise, but they don't have that domain knowledge. So they don't necessarily know how to use the technology. They don't know what problems to solve. The next is to use AI to improve your own business. I see this as people in quadrant 2. They don't have a whole lot of technical expertise, but they have a tremendous amount of industry knowledge. So they know what pain points they have, and they can go grab off-the-shelf solutions or try to use ChatGPT to improve their business. Or maybe they'll start bothering people in quadrant 4 to help them solve their business problems. And then finally, build an AI product that can improve many businesses. Those are your quadrant 1 people. They have that deep technical expertise, but they also have that deep domain knowledge. And so they can bring those two together to build a solution that can help many different businesses. And sure, there's quadrant 3. And if you're in this quadrant, you're wondering what to do, just keep learning. Keep learning about the domain that you're interested in. Keep learning about the technology, and you're going to get there.